morning. It was supposed to start snowing at 2, but I didn't think it was really going to snow because Journey's supposed to get christened tomorrow. I was looking at the weather like, oh, it's going to snow, but it's not going to be a lot of snow. So, you know, we were supposed to go to the grocery store. I was like, oh, there's going to be a little bit of snow. Not a big of a deal. I'll go in the morning. So, of course, Journey woke up. So, when she woke up, I woke up to feed her. And I was kind of like looking out my window, and I noticed like from my bed, I was like, I kind of feel like it's snowing. I don't know. It kind of looks like it's white outside. It might not be. So I'm feeding Journey a story the whole time. I just feel like she's staring at me like my mom's an idiot. Like, you're dumb. Sometimes we go look at the snow. Sorry, I got a phone call. So, like I was saying, we didn't prepare for this because we did not know it was gonna snow. And boom, whole blizzard outside. Mikhail tried to go put some gas in my car because he drove it until there wasn't any miles in the car. So we didn't have gas. Luckily, the gas station by my house is 24 hours. But everything's closed. Walmart, everything's closed. So we don't have any food in the house. Nobody's trying to be trapped in here with me, Carl. He's always hungry. Okay, boo-boo. Okay. Nobody trying to be trapped in here with me, Carl. He's always hungry. Okay. Stop spitting the password out. Mika's always hungry. Journey's always crying. Mika all on the weed. Nobody does a worse combination ever. Like, it's a whole blizzard outside. What the heck? So Mika went to the gas station to go, because the roads are so bad. We probably wouldn't have made it to his mom's house. So he just went to the gas station to go. It's literally a blizzard. Dug it out and buy as much food as he can. And yeah, get some gas in the car because it's gonna rain on top of all this. So it's gonna be ice and we're really not gonna be able to go anywhere. And then this is gonna be hard. So that's super whack. This is a joke. My house is a disaster. So I didn't clean up. I don't even care. I'll just let Mika run amok, so don't judge me. But I cannot get over all the snow outside. And that we weren't prepared. What the hell? Like, I'm so mad. This is so stupid. Like, what is wrong with us? I was going crazy. We trapped here for like 3 days. This crying baby. Mika behind a weed. Mika just always hungry, so he's gonna be irritated. Okay. Look at the look. It's already starting. It's already starting. You just always crying. Okay. You always crying. That's all you do is cry.
Cereal.
Miko.
Sunflower seeds.
Miko.
Lots of candy.
Miko. What you get from the grocery store?
Booyah. You feel me?
What you get, Miko?
You gonna survive. Shit, I'm just about that. Got the mustard. Mustard. Pretzels. M&M's. Fruit snacks. Cheap candy. Cheap candy. Expensive candy. Yeah. Pop-Tarts. Trail mix. Sunflower seeds.
He sounded like
Chips. And dips. Slim Jims. Cereal. And milk. And
That
drink.
dumbass box of cereal.
Milk and drink.
The little ass box of
I
cereal.
can't when you say milk and drink.
Milk and drink.
He said milk and drink.
This shit for Mika anyway.
Mika, you know that
That nigga Mika gonna snap when he see this shit.
I told you ain't doing right.
all the food about to be gone with y'all in this house.
He was like, oh,
Daddy.
I want candy.
Hey, y'all tell him no, but he coming straight to me, but you know, yeah, to us.
Yeah, Mika a manipulator.
Hey,
I'm leaving.
hey, his daddy told that he ain't gonna have no drink, right? He came to me, shut up. thirst. I looked at it like, damn, okay, all right.
I'm gonna leave it out for one like this. Like, look, Mikal.
No, cause all y'all eat all the food, I'm be hungry.
Look at all these snacks.
Mikal, yo, whatever I cook has to be baked. I can't use that grease because I fry fish in that grease.
You got that Santa Claus that came and this bitch dropped a little packet off.
Hey, look, this how we gonna rock though. A bag of chips a day. Yeah, right. A bag of chips a day.
Mikal, you say that till you get high.
Yeah, you smell
You gonna eat that? You gonna eat all the chips in 5 minutes?
That's how you gonna look, just like
A bag of chips a day. 2 candies a day.
For who? For one person.
1 bowl of cereal a day.
Mikal,
Yeah.
I can't use that grease.
Well,
So
it's
whatever I
okay.
cook
It's
gotta
okay.
be baked.
don't
Did
have
you?
to-
Do
don't
you?
have to- what we're gonna do first day is we're gonna eat Eggo waffles.
Who eating them waffles? I
Mikal.
ain't eating that. Oh,
And then we got a pizza in there you can put in the oven. Got some hot dogs right there.
we ain't got no bread.
Gotta put some more put them french fries in there.
You can't use that grease. I fry fish in that grease.
Damn, so got 2 hot pockets.
That did you take that meat out? That meat
I
can
put
be
them
cooked in
hot
the
pockets
oven.
up for y'all. They ham and cheese.
Mikal,
What?
did you put that meat in the
Some chicken breast here.
I know, but either way it's gonna have to be baked.
Baked breast. Bake that breast.
We ain't got no barbecue sauce.
Bake that breast.
Bake that bread.
Can't fry the shit.
What you want me to take out? What you gonna cook with the hamburger?
Nothing. That's why I don't take it out. Take them pork chops out. I can cook the pork chops in the
Man,
oven.
just put them, throw them goddamn breast in the oven.
I forgot y'all got some chicken in the goddamn.
Some fish.
Some fish. I'm glad I came over here, boy. Some told me to come over this bitch too. That blunt about
Where was you about to go?
to the crossing. She is a bitch. No, I been good all the way over there.
Hungry as a bitch.
Oh, y'all been hungry as a bitch though, for real. I've been doing snap on some motherfuckers like, bro, I'm hungry as a bitch.
I don't even want to goddamn eat no goddamn.
Look, it's snowing.
I can ice it.
You can't see it out the window, out the door because it's snow on the door. Come look out the window. You need to brush your teeth. Snow.
It's
It's
snow.
so cool.
Yeah. It's snow again.
Can't see anything.
It's Christmas time yet.
Huh?
It's Christmas time yet.
Well, it's Christmas time, but it's not Christmas Day yet.
And Charlotte's here.
Yeah.
It's
You can't record that. The house is dirty.
It's snowing. And it's the Christmas.
So, Mika is gone. Journey sleep. Got a straight X. Looking like an exhibit. But Mika's gone. Journey sleep. And I really was gonna take Mika outside and go play in the snow, but he's gone. So that killed most of the footage time that I was gonna do today. I have nothing to do. I really want to watch Black Klansman, so I think I'm about to straighten up and rent that and watch that. I look crazy as hell. Oh my gosh. Ew. Let's go see what the snow looks like outside. It's cold as hell outside. And people have been moving though. And people said I ain't staying in the house. It's cold out there though. I ain't even trying to call
Fucking
it
hell,
down,
man.
Mika. If that game makes you that mad, you don't need to play it. Okay? Y'all. So, I ordered DoorDash, McDonald's, $30, not including the tip. Hungry as hell. And I waited 47 minutes. I followed the little tracker for them to tell me that my food was coming, see where my food was at. He made it all the way to McDonald's. As soon as I saw that he made McDonald's, it said it would be like 7 minutes before he would come to my house. I get a text message saying that my money was refunded because McDonald's was closed. I'm so fucking hungry. Oh my gosh. I'm so hungry. But I just called Cookout and Cookout I still got my meat meal braids in. Cookout. It's open. So I'm about to order again, but they don't have the menu that I want. But I'm about to order because I'm hungry as hell. I'm just about to order a whole bunch of food because I'm starving, okay? And I can't take it. Somebody got to drive in the snow to go to Cookout because I'm not going. Okay. Please let this work, Lord. Please. I'm about to go pray. I'm about to go to prayer.
Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely.